Okay, hi, my name is Era Manjana Frederick. Registration number 05DDT19F1032. Okay, now I will show you how to configure this topology for PBT2. Here we can see the topology here, and here is the packet tracer. Okay, for the first one, this is the addressing table. For the first one, task 1, build network and configure basic device setting. Cable the network is shown in the topology. Configure PC hosts, configure PC host, configure basic setting for each switch and router. Disable the next lookup. Configure the device name as shown in the topology. Assign PKS05 as the console and VTY passwords, and enable login. Assign JTMK21 as the encrypted privilege exact mode password. This is the command that we use in this task 1. So the first one, no IP domain lookup, enable secret JTMK21, line VTY 0 to 15, password PKS05, login, line console 0, password PKS05, and copy running config, start config to save the configuration for all router and switches. Now we go to task 2, configure inter-VLAN routing on Kuching_A and Kuching_B, enable and configure the sub-interfaces with the following requirement. Configure the .1Q encapsulation, configure the VLAN 99 as the native VLAN, configure the IP address for the sub-interfaces according to the addressing table. We go to Kuching A, enable the port gigabit Ethernet 0/0, no shard, then insert the sub-interfaces. The first one is gigabit Ethernet 0/0.1, encapsulation the 1Q 99 native as the native VLAN. Insert the IP address 192.168.99.1, 255.255.255.0. Now we will go to second sub-interfaces, which is gigabit Ethernet 0/0.10, encapsulation .1Q10, IP address 192.168.10.1, 255.255.255.0, and the last one, gigabit Ethernet 0/0.20, encapsulation .1Q20, IP address 192.168.20.1, 255.255.255.0. We go to Kuching B, enable the port, no shut the port, gigabit Ethernet 0/0, insert the sub-interfaces G0/0.1, encapsulation .1Q99 native, IP address 192.168.99.2, 255.255.255.0. Second sub-interface G0/0.10, encapsulation .1Q10, IP address 192.168.10.2, 255.255.255.0. Second sub-interface, no, third sub-interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0.20, encapsulation .1Q20, IP address 192.168.20.2, 255.255.255.0. Now we will go to task 3, routing. Configure RPV2 using the following requirement. Do not advertise the network connected to the internet. Disable auto-summarization. Disable RIP updates for each sub-interface. This is a command that we use in Kuching A. Enable router RIP version 2. Insert the network and set the sub-interfaces as passive interface. No auto-summarization, and copy running config, start config to save the configuration. We go to Kuching B. Enable router RIP version 2. Insert the network. Set the sub-interfaces into passive interface. No auto-summary, and save the configuration using copy running config, start config.
My name is Dina Liu. Today I would like to present the task 4, VTP and VLANs. Configure the switch as a VTP server and configure all of the switch as VTP clients. They are not allowed to create a VLAN. So VTP domain is JTMK-PKS and VTP password is JTMK123. Create VLAN 10, 20, and 99 on switch A and configure the following static port and switch A and switch B. And F01 until 9 as access port in VLAN 10 and F010 until 19 as access port in VLAN 20. And F020 until 24 and G01 until 2 as a native trunk for VLAN 99, and configure the following static port for switch C and switch B, AD, F01 until 9 as access port in VLAN 10, and F010 until 19 as access port on VLAN 20, and F020 until 24 and G01 until 2 as a native trunk for VLAN 99. So this command that I use on switch A is VTP mod is server and domain name JTMK-PKS, JTMK, and create the VLAN and the static port configure the static port, mod SS, and SS VLAN 10, and switch port mod SS, SS VLAN 20, and mod trunk, trunk native. On switch B and switch D and C, VLAN mod is climbed, so DTM KPKS, JTMK123, and SS mod, SS VLAN 10, SS mod, SS VLAN 20, and mod trunk, trunk native VLAN 99. And the step I repeat to switch C and D. And also we can verify the trunk, the VLANs, not trunk, VLAN. So on here you can see on switch A, so VLAN, and VLAN 10 active and the ports, and VLAN 20 and with the port, and VLAN 99. Also we can check on the switch B. Here is the switch B, show VLANs, VLAN 10 active and the ports, and VLAN 20 with the port, and VLAN 99. Okay, go to the task 5, Ether channel. So Ether channel I configure the LACP or channel as static configure to trunk or VLANs include VLAN 99 as the native VLAN. Use the following table to configure an appropriate switch port for the forms Ether channel. So here is the form, is the table. So the command that I use to configure the Ether channel is on switch A, in the fetch range and channel group 1 mod active. This is the command to the LACP. Okay, and next group 5 mod active and group 3 mod active. Also we configure the trunk on the port, so switch port mod trunk, trunk native VLAN, and on the port 3 switch port mod trunk, trunk native VLAN, and 5 trunk mod trunk and trunk native VLAN. And this step will repeat but change the port numbers to repeat to switch B, C, and D. So we also can verify this Ether channel by using the show Ether channel summary here. Show Ether channel summary, and you can see on switch A, port channel is 1 and up. The status is up, and the protocol will LACP on with their port. And group 3, port number is 3 and up, LACP protocol, and with their port, and so on. Also with the switch B, you can see is the group 2 protocol port channel is 2 and up, the protocol is LACP, and so on.
Okay, task 6. Spanning tree. Configure per VLAN rapid spanning tree mode for all switches. Configure spanning tree priorities according to the table. Here we can see the priority for VLAN 10, 20 for 4 switches in the table. For the first one, switch A, enable rapid spanning rapid PBT2. Insert the priority for VLAN 10, which is 40696, and VLAN 20 priority 8192, and save the configuration using copy config config. We go to switch B, enable rapid PBT2, set the priority for VLAN 10 8192, and for VLAN 20 priority 40696. Set the configuration using copy config config. We go to switch C, enable the mode rapid PBT2, set the priority for VLAN 10 32768, and for VLAN 20 also 32768. Save the configuration with copy config config. Lastly, we go to switch D, enable rapid PBT2, insert the VLAN 10 priority 32768 and VLAN 20 32768. Save the configuration using copy config config. That's all for me. Bye bye.
Now I will test the connectivity. So I will open the PC to ping to this VLAN 20. Desktop, copy this. Okay, enter. Okay, so you can see the connectivity success. That's all for me. Thank you.